To get started, you'll need to install the Capital One Shopping Browser extension on your preferred web browser, which is available for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Once installed, browse the Amazon website for the products you're interested in purchasing. When you visit a product page, the extension will automatically activate, scanning the web for available coupon codes and discounts that can be applied to your Amazon purchase. If any applicable coupons or better prices are found, you'll be notified. After selecting your desired product and ensuring you found the best available deal with the help of the extension, proceed to check out on Amazon as you normally would, depending on the offers available. You may also have the opportunity to earn credits when making purchases through Amazon, which can be redeemed for gift cards. Simply follow the prompts on the Amazon website to complete your purchase, and your order will be processed accordingly.